Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 3990. Today's date is 8th of April 2025 26. It's been almost like a night at 9:59 p.m. All right, let's just jump into the question. Let's go. All right, the question is, when someone makes a mistake, do I try to understand their perspective first or jump into the conclusion? Oh, that's a really good question. Okay, first of all, what exactly is this question and why am I asking this question to myself? Couple of days ago, I read a book, How to Win and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Really amazing book. Highly recommend to you to read this book. I wanted to implement the value that book taught me. How do I supposed to do that? By asking question to myself honestly and give the honest answer. Okay. So regarding about this question, the question kind of like a very much simple. It says that when someone make a mistake, do I understand their perspective or do I jump into the conclusion? Before I'm kind of like a try to give my opinion, I will try to understand regarding about every possible point of perspective that why does human does that. Like basically is this thing, if someone make mistake, then why does most of the people are kind of like assembly jump into the conclusion or jump into the kind of like assembly why does they do that, why does most of the humans most of people do that thing? Well, it is actually is because of that ki there is a couple of things that I'm trying to explain, okay, from example point of perspective, so that probably you might gonna understand better and I will kind of like a little bit explain this in much more better way. Okay, so let's just say is this thing that ki okay, take an example is this thing, I am an employee of kind of like a company, okay, and I have to do a PPT, okay, like I have to do a presentation in front of the CFO and kind of like a bunch of kind of like a higher authority of my things, okay, higher authority of my company, okay, I'm doing the presentation, okay. Now basically is this thing na ki what exactly happened that ki I didn't really did that much presentation well, okay. So no, this example is might not fit properly, okay, yeah, um yeah, like this example might not fit with this thing, okay. Let's take a kind of like somebody another example that okay, yeah, this is kind of like a really good example, okay. By the way, this example is kind of like a bit now trending, by the way, not trending, it was trending year ago, but okay, okay, let me tell you what is that example, okay. So basically it's this thing, a year ago, exactly year ago, something like that, okay, there is a kind of like a some TV show, not sorry, not TV show, a YouTube show, okay, called um um like a latent like latent LLT, like a like latent show, like there is a kind of like a show named LLT which is actually kind of like a hosted by the Samay Raina, okay. Samay Raina is a host, okay. I'm completely forgot about the kind of like a show name. Oh yeah, there is a LLT something like that, latent something like that, I just forgot, whatever, okay. So let me tell you the kind of like assembly the I'm gonna kind of like a design the entire thing, okay, like I'm gonna tell you exactly what exactly happened, then you will kind of like understand, okay, yeah. So basically this thing almost like a year ago, okay, this show was kind of like assembly like a really popular in India, specifically in YouTube, because it's kind of like a publish in YouTube, okay. Now what exactly is this kind of like a show? This show is a kind of like a roasting people, literally the judges are kind of like a roasting, as well as kind of like some contestant are also roasting judges too, okay, yeah. This is not a competition where kind of like a your skill is kind of like a judge, no, it's a roasting show, okay, yeah. But it based on kind of like what is at least this thing now, okay. So whatever the talent that you have, whatever, painting, singing, dancing, rapping, god knows what kind of like a talent that you have, okay, yeah. So you just have to come there and present your talent. Okay. Now there is a kind of a couple of judges are seated over there. Samay Raina is one of them. He's a host, by the way, and rest of the judges he kind of like introduce every single time. And those are judges are mostly from social media content creator and things and that and that. Okay. First of all, this show is not a kind of like a simply a talent based show, or this show is not kind of like a is not a show, is a kind of like a some is this thing that key like a represent how good talent that you have. This show is just roasting, just time pass and things and that and that. Now design of that show is a kind of like a very much kind of little bit of vulgar. Okay, yeah, vulgar means like that ki the language that they use in that show by contestant and by judges are like a very like a not so matured, or very like a like not so like vulgar. Okay, yeah. Now like basically they like a judges kind of like a make fun of the contestant make fun of them. Now basically you are kind of like a thinking that this show is a kind of like a really wrong, right? Well, yeah, it's somewhat something, but it is kind of like a fun way. Okay, like a basically entire environment is kind of like a bit more funny and jokes and things and that and that. Okay, yeah. Like from my point of perspective, if you are kind of like listening this thing, you are might thinking that ki, okay, this show is kind of like a really wrong, that they are kind of like a judging each other and things and that, making fun of each other. Yeah, but like basically it's this thing na ki it's a layer of comedy. Okay, yeah. I know it's a kind of like a bad, but it's a kind of like a layer of comedy. Like basically it's this thing that na ki if 10 people are kind of like make fun of each other, then what should you supposed to do? Should you stop there, or should you kind of like be part of that? Obviously you will not have courage to stop there. You just kind of like be part of that because it's a moment that you just wanted to part. Let's just be fun, that's it. Okay, yeah. And obviously is this thing the contestant already knew that they will gonna roast. Okay, yeah. So they already kind of like approved that ki roast me. It's just not like that ki they just automatically someone kind of like they didn't, no. Okay, yeah. So basically everyone got approval. Okay, every contestant have got approval. Every judges are also got approval too ki that ki they will gonna get roasted too in that show. Roasted means making fun of each other and things and that and that. Okay, yeah. So there is a kind of like a scene actually happened. Okay, yeah. There is a kind of like a some YouTuber name Beer Bicep. Okay, who kind of like a something did a kind of like some joke regarding about something very like a very kind of like a some very parental kind of perspective. Okay, yeah. Now this is actually happened. Now this joke is a joke. Well, I am not really sure. Okay, yeah, because whatever that joke was, it I am not really understand the way that it is. Like, okay, yeah. Okay, so basically it's a kind of like as I mentioned, it's a kind of like a roasting. So this guy, Beer Bicep guy, who kind of like said this thing that ki like if your parents are kind of like having sex, would you kind of like something like that ki would you watch them together, or would you watch, or kind of like would you join them? I know it's a very wrong joke in so many level, but it's like that na ki it's a joke. Yeah, it's a wrong. Yeah, but like sometimes some jokes are kind of like not good, and yeah. So because of this joke, entire news media and entire kind of like a police force and entire kind of like a somebody FBI team and kind of like a somebody behind that people like basically why do you say this joke is not really good and things and that. Like basically is this thing na the entire kind of like a country media are kind of like a focus on them that you did wrong, this is not a joke and things and that, you are kind of like a disrespect the Indian culture, Indian parenthood and things and that god knows what will happen. Okay, all the people who are involved in that show, okay, beside the audience, okay, and beside the contestant, but all the people like a judges, okay, the Beer Bicep, okay, all those judges, okay, then kind of like a host Samay Raina, they got kind of like a somebody get FIR means like a police report. Okay, yeah, they got all police report, not those like basically the producer of the show as well as the director, editor of the show, everyone is kind of like a somebody got FIR, and some of the people are got arrested too. Okay, yeah. And very chaos thing actually happened, so much. Okay, now basically the when the police action is actually happened only this. Okay, yeah. But the kind of like assembly, the like entire media is against of them. Like everyone is kind of like telling them, you are did wrong, you did wrong, you did wrong. Everyone. Okay, yeah. Like every kind of like social media influence kind of like take a mobile phone and kind of like say, in this, these are the kind of like influencer are kind of like spoiling our society. This is the way that, yeah, they are kind of like influencing people and things and that. God knows what they did. Okay, yeah. Now let me tell you my opinion. What is actually assessing? Now, basically assessing, na, I know this the joke that they mention or the show that they have is a very wrong show or very kind of like a very for the very niche kind of like a people. Okay, yeah. I don't like the joke. Okay, yeah. But it's not that ki I'm kind of like a hate so much that I'm kind of like a somebody is using that ki file a report against them. It's not really that. Okay, because let me tell you one thing, India is a very diverse country. Some people love to watch, some people hate to watch. Okay, yeah. So basically I am that kind of like a particular person that I don't like it, but it's not really that I should supposed to be kind of like a basically do the kind of like a file report, police report and things and that. So whatever. So this is what entire episode will gonna actually happen. Okay, and all the kind of like only people who are kind of like involved in this, they got kind of like arrested or kind of like FIR. They have kind of like somebody kind of like a present in front of the judges and kind of like somebody they have to apologize and things and that because they haven't really done any kind of like somebody any harm things, but they did kind of like a disturb the kind of like somebody public disturbance kind of, probably, if I'm say this thing. Okay, but because of this thing, the people who lost almost everything, like basically this thing, those are influencer, by the way, those are influencer, and their entire earning money is on reputation. Okay, yeah. And because of this actually incident happened, they lost everything. This happened, this happened, this happened, this happened. So many things actually happened. Okay, yeah. So in this particular scenario, okay, yeah, by the way, I already recorded this thing year ago regarding about what exactly happened. I already told my opinion regarding about that. Okay, yeah. But right now this kind of a question is kind of like a said about this, that key like what is exactly is this thing, like if someone make mistake, like in this scenario, kind of like a beer bicep make a mistakes, so would you jump into the conclusion or would you kind of like understand the his point of perspective? Okay, yeah. Now if I'm trying to understand, most of the people are kind of like a jump into the conclusion, and when this scenario actually happened, most of the people are actually jump into the conclusion. Most of the kind of like a media industry, most of people kind of like say this thing that key they are wrong, they are this, they are that, and they are that, and they should supposed to be banned, they shouldn't supposed to be kind of like somebody do this, they shouldn't supposed to, like, so many things and so many levels and things and that. Okay, so my question is that why does people are kind of like a somebody like a so much like a, why does people most of the kind of like a judge, like why does most of people are kind of like a somebody went into the conclusion mode? Okay, why is that actually happen? Well, it is actually happened, it is because of that key, like, okay, if I'm trying to understand now what exactly is this thing, we don't really like as I mentioned, okay, we are not decide what is actually right and wrong. The society decide what is actually right and what is actually wrong. Example, okay, if I'm say like I kind of like mention every single time regarding about this thing, but again I mention like every crux of the problem is a kind of like some societal point of perspective. It is right sometime, it is wrong sometime. Okay, and as well as let me tell you one thing, like right and wrong, these are not exist, like literally not exist. Okay, like what is actually right and what is actually wrong, these are the human concept, not natural concept. Okay, so these are not exist in the nature. Okay, literally not exist. Okay, what is actually right and what is actually wrong is not exist. Okay, let me kind of like understand even more simple language. Okay, so let's just say I wanted to kill people. Is it wrong thing or right thing? Obviously it's a wrong thing. Now why it is wrong thing? Because societal kind of like somebody tell me this is the wrong thing. Now why is actually happened, like why does societal kind of like a thing? Because society is actually run by the people, and people are actually kind of like a learn by their mistake. Like basically throughout their lifetime, throughout the human lifetime, whatever they mistake actually happened, they realize that killing people is a kind of like a wrong. So they realize that this is the kind of like a wrong thing, we shouldn't supposed to do this thing. So in the build up in the society, they kind of like understand that ki this is the kind of like a society level problem that we shouldn't supposed to do this thing. So that's why everyone are kind of like a thing that ki killing people is wrong. Okay, yeah. But what if in the nature earthquake happened and millions of people will gonna die? So in this point of perspective, I am not allowed to kill another person. But if a kind of like a nature kill millions of people, then in that context, then what exactly is this thing? Like basically you should supposed to blame the god or blame the kind of like a earth or nature, right? Like basically because of the earthquake, millions of people die, right? Or millions of people die, or millions of plants or animals are dies and things and that, right? So basically, do you understand? Like basically, why does kind of like this bias ship and things and that? So basically, this is not bias ship. This kind of like things that na ki right thing and wrong thing is not exist in a is not exist in the nature. Okay, yeah. Like a death and born is are the cycle of the nature. Okay, yeah. When you born someday, you will gonna die someday. That is the nature, and that is not kind of like something what is really right and wrong. This is the right and wrong is a kind of like a human concept. Okay, yeah. Now let me tell you one thing. Okay, so this is the level that you have. Do you understand this level? Now let's talk about another level. Why does people are kind of like jump into the conclusion so fast? Like as I mentioned, this thing actually happened when this kind of like episode release and kind of like so much hate actually happened. Why does happen? Why does kind of like a people jump into the conclusion so much so fastly? Why is that? It is actually happened is because of kind of like somebody is this thing. It depends on so many levels. Okay, so many levels means what? Like basically the story that I told you is an incident story. Okay, yeah. I don't really tell you the kind of like a behind this. Okay, let me tell you one thing. Latent is a kind of like a somebody doing this show for almost like a last probably I don't know, probably year or year, I don't know. Okay, they have kind of like released so many shows. Okay, yeah. And in the previous shows, they have such a joke that even more creepy or even more fuck, like legit fuck. Okay, yeah. Like basically, is this thing that na ki the beer bicep kind of like a cracker joke. That joke is not really that much vulnerable as compared to the previous joke where kind of like somebody with the Rakhi Sawant came or another kind of like a people would came and they crack a joke so much worse, 10 times worse than that. Okay, so basically what is actually happened na ki, and another thing, that show was kind of like a hitting so many milestone. Like every single time when that episode launch or episode publish or like a went live, like a 10 million views, 20 million views normally easily get it. Like a 20 million views, like a dude, what the fuck is actually happened? Like, and every single videos got kind of like a 20 billion view plus. And I was like, what the fuck is this thing? Okay, yeah. Basically, is this thing now when something wrong, okay, yeah. Like let me tell you one thing. Okay, if you're not really understanding the concept, okay, so I'm gonna tell you another thing. Okay, yeah. So when the Mr. Beast is actually kind of like a getting 100 million views, 200 million views. Okay, yeah. Do I bother? Like, is it bother to me? No, it does not bother. Why? Because Mr. Beast is kind of like a putting lot of effort to make the video. Okay, yeah. And when he put lot of effort of he make the video and then he get lot of amount of views and monies and things and that, I am really appreciate and I'm kind of like a somebody that ki I'm rooted for him, that ki he should supposed to be get that much amount of subscriber, he should supposed to be get that much amount of money. And when he get that thing, I am really proud that ki okay, like basically Mr. Beast is a kind of like a somebody such a creator who kind of like a somebody represent the YouTube community in kind of like a somebody in world level. Okay, yeah. So I am kind of like a rooted for him, and when he get kind of like a 500 million subscriber or things and that, I always kind of like somebody thinks that ki this dude is kind of like a really deserve. Okay, yeah. But what if there is a kind of like another creator who kind of like a somebody just make fun of each other and things and that, and because of, and this is kind of like a wrong thing, right? Like a make fun of each other, like a, from societal point of perspective, from wrong thing, and from that wrong thing, he's kind of like a getting 20 million views every single day, every single episode. Then most of people kind of like think that he's kind of like doing something wrong, like so many level. Okay, yeah, and still he's kind of like getting 20 million views. So basically those are kind of like things it kind of like feels like wrong. Like basically this thing na, when you are earning money from wrong way, people are not accepting it. Okay, people are not accepting it. That's why we have kind of like built so many kind of like assembly, like we cannot do kind of like a corruption and things and that, because these are kind of like a thing that is a wrong. Okay, yeah. Like a society never really kind of like accept this thing that you should supposed to be earn money by doing a wrong way. Okay, yeah. And basically this show is kind of like doing it that, like this show is a kind of like making fun of people and kind of like somebody earning kind of like only 20 million views and so many sponsorship and things and that. So basically this is a kind of like a people have always kind of like a fucked up that why this thing actually happened, why this actually happened, why this actually happening and things and that. Now the beer bicep kind of like somebody that grow that joke is actually crack. This is a kind of like somebody that like basically just kind of like imagine as a balloon. Okay, yeah. And that balloon is a kind of like somebody that there is so much amount of kind of like some people putting a lot of stress or a lot of frustration into that balloon. Okay, yeah. And that balloon is a kind of like somebody stretch too much that like any single time it might gonna blast it out. Okay, yeah. And the beer bicep is kind of like a poke just little bit kind of like a needle into that balloon, just little bit, and suddenly he put it, there is entire frustration is kind of like something came out from that needle. Okay, yeah. And suddenly just everything actually happened. So this is what kind of like a things happened, this is what kind of like a things is kind of like a something happened. Okay, yeah. So do you understand? Okay, yeah. So basically is this thing na this is what kind of like a something understand, something actually happened. Okay, yeah. So basically the why does kind of like a people went into the conclusion so rapidly is because of this. Okay, yeah. Like basically people have kind of like a lot of frustration things into that balloon, and they kind of like somebody cooped up again and again, and kind of they are kind of like putting lot of amount of stress and things and that, and suddenly beer bicep kind of like put that joke, and then boom, everyone cracks it. So this is what kind of like a conclusion actually happened. So this is what it is. And in normal day life we are also kind of like a been through like a basically this thing. In normal day life now we are kind of like a somebody is this thing, we are always kind of like a stress and things and that, because every person is kind of like a facing a lot of problem in their life regarding about every possible scenario. This happened, what not actually happened. There are so many levels of so many fucked up thing actually happening. So what I'm trying to tell you is this thing, because of people are kind of like getting a lot of frustration regarding about so many things. So that's why is this thing that people are kind of like a jump into the conclusion so rapidly, because like this is kind of like a very easy to do this thing. Okay, yeah. Like very easy to do. Like why like basically is this thing, there is another option, understand the people point of perspective. Now this is hard na. Why do I supposed to be kind of like somebody understand the kind of like someone make mistake and understand his point of perspective? Why would I supposed to do that? Because it really required effort, and I don't want to kind of like put effort to understand. Why do I supposed to do that? And jumping into the conclusion is kind of like far more easier and far much more better, and kind of like a far much kind of like somebody letting me to kind of like express my kind of like a stress and things and that. So that's why most of people kind of like jump into the conclusion. Okay, yeah. They don't really understand the perspective of the people and things and that. Now I have to be asked this question to myself, that am I that particular person? Am I that kind of like somebody jump into the conclusion, or am I kind of like somebody that understand the perspective? What kind of like a person am I? Now basically this is kind of like somebody is this thing na. If I'm gonna say that I'm a really good person, I'm kind of like somebody, I will not gonna jump into the conclusion, I will kind of like understand the perspective and things and that, right? But situation sometimes is not right. Okay, yeah. Like basically I do understand. Okay, yeah. In my life I might gonna kind of like a face lot of kind of like a problem, and I don't really have any kind of like a solution, or maybe I don't really have any time to find the solution, and I have to give the judgment so rapidly. So in that context I might gonna jump into the conclusion. Okay, I might gonna jump into the conclusion. Like basically is this thing na ki life is not kind of like somebody who is white and who is black. No, nothing like at all. It's a kind of like a thing is that na ki, like if I'm gonna say that ki I will try to understand the perspective of the people, that perspective of the what does people kind of like why does they make mistakes and things and that. if I try to say this thing now, I might not write all the time because I don't know the situation what we're gonna face. I understand this point of perspective. I will try to make sure that I will not gonna jump into the conclusion, but I am not really sure that what kind of like somebody life is kind of like a put me through in the future situation. Okay, situation in the future, right? So like basically in that particular moment, I will not know how do I supposed to interact, and in that particular period of time I might gonna kind of like a jump into the conclusion rapidly because I might not have a time, or I might not have a kind of like a something like that key find a kind of like a some perspective of the people and things like that. Also I might not have effort to understand the other people point of perspective too. There are so many kind of like a simply like let me tell you one thing now. Doing wrong thing is very easy, doing a right thing is very difficult, and that is a kind of like a problem because there are so many things are actually involved, so many stuff are actually involved too. So regarding about this, okay, if I'm like I will gonna try to make sure to understand the perspective of the people, that if something wrong, why does actually wrong, and what kind of like a things actually happen. Okay, now do I kind of like jump into the conclusion? I also might not gonna do that. Like basically is this thing na ki if something wrong happened, I will not gonna jump into the conclusion. I'm gonna say I will try to not to jump into the conclusion. Okay, yeah. And also I try to figure it out the kind of like a simply the perspective of the people. But till that moment, I'm not gonna do anything at all. Like some mistake happened and sometime it meant to be happen. Like you cannot kind of like a somebody like a I don't know, like if I'm saying this thing now, like basically this thing now throughout my entire period of life, I realized something. Okay, yeah, in my life. Okay, when something wrong happened, it meant to be happen. It happened. Even if I try to put so much amount of effort, it does not happen, but it happened. It happened. Like okay, let me tell you one thing. Okay, sometimes now I kind of like look at my life. I'm kind of like thinking out that why this actually happened. Okay, so let me kind of like clarify. I wanted to be filmmaker. Okay, yeah. I wanted to be filmmaker till the age of 17. Like basically, like till the age of like at the age of 17, I realized that I wanted to filmmaker, and I decided that I wanted to be filmmaker and things and that and that and that. Okay, yeah. But my father told me that complete your education. Okay, yeah. So till the age of kind of like somebody 23, I kind of like try to do engineering diploma, not graduation, engineering diploma. I did this thing. Okay, yeah. And then after that, I kind of like somebody realized that I wanted to kind of like go into the film industry. I wanted to go to the Bombay and things and that and that. But did I went there? No. Why? Because so many factors actually kind of like responsible. This and that and that and that. I don't really have money. So many reasons. So basically, I didn't really went there. I decided to do a job. I started doing a job. Okay, yeah. Then I kind of like did a job for a year. I cannot able to fit into that job. I quit that job. Okay, yeah. Then after that, did I went to the Bombay? No, I did not. Why? Because of that, I think that I'm not really ready yet. Okay, yeah. Then I kind of like started doing kind of like assembly, like a designing software. Okay, learning. After that, I got a job in kind of like a designing sector. I did a job for almost like a 2 year. Okay, yeah. And 2 year, COVID actually happened. After 2 year in 2020, COVID actually happened. After the COVID, like basically is this thing na sometimes na, like basically I wanted to be filmmaker. Like I don't know how I supposed to explain this thing. Okay, like in 2020 COVID happened. I came home, I lost my job. Okay, then did I went to Bombay? No. Why? Because COVID actually happened. There is no job opening at all. Okay, then after like basically in 2021 when COVID is kind of like relaxed, did I went to the Bombay? No, I didn't went there. Why? Because at that time I realized something very differently, that I don't really have money. If I went there, my failure chances would be kind of like a much more higher and things and that and that and that. So I started doing this kind of like a YouTube. Okay, I started doing this YouTube and things and that and that and that and that. and because of this YouTube I understand my true purpose, that what is exactly I should supposed to be do in my life. Okay, yeah. Like, true purpose means what? Like, I don't know. I think that now, like, maybe I'm kind of like somebody very saying this thing very like wrong, but I'm not really sure. I think maybe I'm completely wrong, but I think the whatever the stuff I will gonna do in the future, it might gonna impact so many levels of people, so many people, regarding about building artifact, building a Adam, building a Gurukul. I wanted to do this thing. I wanted to do that thing. And if I did that thing, it it kind of like some impact on so many people in so many ways. It's just a lot. So then I decide myself, not decide, then I kind of like understand, if I am that particular person, is universe chose me for this or what? Okay, yeah. Because let me tell you one thing, I am recording artifact for last 10 year, like 10 year, like basically this thing from 2015 to like I'm recording artifact. Okay, and when will I get this idea of kind of like a building an artifact app? 2023. Yeah, like a 2023 I got an idea that what if I could make an app about a kind of like some artifact that people would supposed to be record and things and that. So basically is this thing na ki sometimes I just don't really understand that ki I started recording artifact for myself or the universe told me to do that. I'm not really sure. Okay, yeah. Because the reason I think that na ki I did this because I wanted to do, because I kind of like get influenced by the Avatar movie, and then after that kind of like a thing is that na ki I just wanted to do this thing, and I wanted to kind of like I realized that ki I want to document my life and things and that because I'm gonna face a lot of failure in my life. So probably I have to do this thing. I have to kind of like record the artifact, things and that. So this is my purpose. I'm kind of like a recording. I'm just doing recording. Yeah, I'm not kind of like uploading anywhere and things like that. I'm just kind of like a talking shit every single day. Okay, yeah. In 2023, okay, in 2023, I got an idea that what if I could make an app? Like, what the fuck is this then rest of the year? Like, why did I not get that idea in 2015 or 2016 or something like that? Like, this is what it is. It's a kind of like a thing that sometimes I just don't know. Sometimes some things are aligned in such a way that it should supposed to be happen. It should supposed to be happen. Like basically this thing that if I try to understand that let's just say that I went back in 2019. Okay, let's just say I went back in 2019, and I do know that next year COVID will gonna happen. Okay, pandemic will gonna happen. Now I will gonna use whatever power I have. I cannot able to stop the COVID. Okay, yeah. Or maybe something that whatever the kind of like assembly I will gonna do, because of me COVID will gonna happen. Like this might be a kind of like a thing. It's like a basically this thing na ki nature like basically in belong to the India, and we have kind of like some things that na ki everything is actually written. सब कुछ लिखा है इस दुनिया में. Okay, yeah. like सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है. भगवान ने है like a kind of like a God is actually written everything that what should we supposed to do and things and that. We are kind of like a thing that we are controlling ourselves, but that is not a kind of like some sort of kind of like entity outside of us that kind of like controlling us, that controlling everything what we should supposed to be do today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. Okay, yeah. And we are kind of like just in the illusion that we just kind of like controlling ourselves, but that is not. So this is what kind of like a thing. Sometimes I realize that na ki like am I chosen one or am I what? Because I don't really think that ki I'm a chosen one, or maybe sometimes I feel like that ki I'm chosen one, but I don't know. Okay, so this is kind of like so many things. I don't know. Okay, So right now I'm kind of like going into the kind of like a very wrong path of this artifact episode, because I don't really think that we shouldn't supposed to like, I don't really think that I'm chosen one. No, I put effort to achieve till now. I put lot of amount of energy and everything. Do not kind of like only put my effort. Do not rename my effort as a kind of like a chosen one. I don't want to be that. I just, yeah, no, fuck not, literally not. It's just not. Okay, so basically is this thing in the future, if I build something, it is built from my effort, not from like a like that chosen word things. No, does not, this is not like, basically is this thing na ki, like sometimes like kind of like a people are kind of like a put into the conclusion that regarding about that ki, like basically is this thing, he has a kind of like a really good life and things, and that like basically is this thing na, today what is that happened that ki, in the group, okay, in the WhatsApp group, my friend are kind of like a something kind of like a somebody put a post that ki everyone are kind of like a doing a job, doing a rat race and things, and that and that and that. But Saurabh is the only one, like I am the only one who is kind of like a following the passion and things, and that, and he will become a successful in one day and things, and that and that. Now follow the passion and things, and God not what he says. I just kind of like things, yeah, okay, yeah, fine, yeah. Like I'm doing the YouTube, I'm doing this YouTube kind of like for 5 years. I'm not really earning any money. I'm 32. I'm living with my parents. I'm kind of like a really fuck. Okay, yeah. Now basically my situation is kind of like a really fuck situation. But still is this thing, some of the people kind of considering that ki I will be become a very really good person, things and that, what not. Right now I don't really like sometimes now I don't really take that much criticism, and also I'm not really taking that much compliment as also either too. So this actually happened. Okay. No, I don't really kind of like a thing. I don't live like I don't really kind of like somebody focus on that. That. Okay. Yeah. Then some of the people are kind of like somebody that ki like a basically like a reply that ki dude like he has a money, he has a this, so that's why he could follow the passion and things, and that. And then I realized that dude, like basically is this thing that na ki, like some of the friends says that ki like basically he has a kind of like a father money, so he could able to be do this, follow the passion and things, and that we don't really have a kind of father of money, so that's the things. And at that time I kind of like somebody hurtful little bit better, hurtful that ki dude like basically is this thing, is my father is a kind of like a something that ki rich is my fault or what? Or if I born in kind of like a poorer class family, then basically is this thing, is my kind of like a effort is not count or what? Like I'm putting every single day to put effort. Now it's not really that na ki I kind of like a born in this family, I'm kind of like a getting this kind of like a somebody home and kind of like a parents and kind of like a things, so that my effort does not count, or I'm not kind of like a somebody kind of like a somebody just something like that ki I'm not kind of like a fit into the society, that I kind of like a put the effort to achieve my goals and things, and that. Sometimes I just don't know what exactly is this thing. And then I realized that I dude like a fuck those, like some people are kind of like a thing so many levels, and this is what it is. I can't change other person thought, I can't change other people, I can't. They just don't. I could able to be influence people, but I don't want to do anything at all. I just like whatever actually happened, I didn't really kind of like focus on that. I didn't really reply nothing really at all, just fuck this shit. So this is when I'm where kind of like I'm just like feel like that na dude. Okay. So there are so many kind of like so many factors actually involved and things, and that whatever. Okay, I know, I realize that now I'm kind of like a went into the kind of like so much kind of like so many different stuff that I talk, whatever. So regarding about this question, the question says that ki when someone make a mistake, do I try to understand, or do I understand their perspective, or jump into the conclusion? Well, what is actually my answer? My answer would be is this thing that ki I will not gonna jump into the conclusion, that is for sure. Okay, yeah. But I will also try to understand the perspective, but also I'm not really sure. Okay, yeah. I will not gonna choose this thing. Sometimes some mistake happened, it meant to be happen. I try to make sure those mistakes will not gonna happen in the future. That's the only thing that I could able to be do. Whatever the things happened, it happened. Okay, yeah. I try to make sure I learn from my mistake, and making sure that that mistake should not supposed to be happen. Okay, so yeah. But one thing for sure is that I will not gonna jump into the conclusion. Okay, probably because I am not really sure what kind of like some challenges we're gonna face in the future. So, so this is it. I should supposed to be end here, and thank you.